Hello, our dear viewers. Welcome to Hado NFT project review on Zyc TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel because we create videos on NFT, crypto, token, airdrop, and pre-sales. So Hado is a ready NFT marketplace, and already, sadly, will I say that the pre-sale is over, but it also aims to build an NFT gaming, NFT music streaming platform for general public. The token symbol is known as HTO and is a new token on the BSC platform or on the BSC Smart Chain. And according to Hado, it is a utility token developed for the Hado NFT marketplace. Hado also offers 4% reward in BNB for just holding it, and more importantly, Hado stands for Help Art Deliver Opportunity. So they strongly believe in art. So let's take a very good look at the token information because this is what is going to guide your sense of judgment. So the project name is Hado NFT and the symbol is HDO, and it is launched on the Binance Smart Chain with a total supply of 21 million and launchpad of Pink Sale. If you look at your screen, you're going to see the contract address. This token Manix was burned down to 8% of BNB raised in 80 days, and it has been whitelisted, which you can click to apply with 100 BNB as soft cap and 200 BNB as hard cap. Listing price was 19 HDO per BNB and pre-sale was 20 HDO per BNB. Its auditing by Tech Audit has been approved, and its KYC by Pink Sale has also been approved. Sadly, the KYC is over, but the coin is already on the Binance Smart Chain, and that means you're still going to see it possibly on your screen if you're a lover of crypto. If you take a very good look on your screen, you're going to see a chart that shows its pre-sale, previous liquidity fee, locked volume, and unlocked volume on a graph of chart. But if you're finding it hard to decipher that because of the font size or of the video clarity, then that shouldn't be a problem. But take note that the platform has been approved by PinkSale, its KYC, and the team is doxed, and the marketplace is live NFT marketplace with a low market cap, and it has been audited by Tech Audit. So the team consists of 5 people, and it seems that these team members all reside in France. They are not anonymous like many other projects where the team behind it stays anonymous. So the Hado is a decentralized NFT marketplace that offers solid investment as well as an online gallery for NFT artists. That means the platform is simply yet stunning and allow artists to create an online profile to highlight their work and mint new pieces into NFT. So looking on special needs outreach, Hado intends to reach out to charitable and school organizations to offer them a fundraising platform. Hado also have its NFT gaming where the Hado NFT is working with an NFT gaming developer to add utility and play to earn into its marketplace. Everyone wants to earn importantly. So imagine playing game to earn online instead of playing game for fun. So that is one beauty about the NFT gaming. And the NFT music streaming is one that's going to allow you to enjoy music on the interface while you make money from the back end. And the features of HDO token is the transaction fee is just 12%, though there is an extra 3% for selling fee. So sell fee total is 15% based on transaction and sell fee. And 5% is auto liquidity, 4% is BNB reward, 3% is marketing. And I think that this brief review I have done is going to give you an overview of what this platform is all about. HTO is a ready-to-use NFT marketplace. This is an important feature because they also plan to work on NFT gaming and NFT music streaming where users can participate on playing online game and listening to music and also earning the same time. The team is not anonymous because they are based in France and they have worked with other great brands as well. So NFT is still developing or evolving in the NFT space, and that is why Hado Marketplace is seizing this opportunity to also make profit over time. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe. This is Zyc TV, and we create videos on crypto and financial